Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about PMT and goal seek. Now PMT is a financial function tool that is found on Microsoft Excel. So let me show where it is. Click on formula, then on financial, you're going to find it here. It is here, PMT. Now PMT is to calculate the payment for a loan based on constant payment and constant interest rate. Let me show you where now goal seek is. Click on data tab. Now it is here, goal seek. We are going to use them on this example. Now I want to buy a car and I need $24,000, and I've been lent by the bank, which I'm going to pay at 4.5%. For a period of 60 months. So this is the amount. I want to know which amount am I going to pay on a single month. So the bank is lending me at 3.5%. Now for this case, I'm going to use PMT to know the amount I'm going to pay for each single month to complete this loan payment of $24,000. So I'm going to apply PMT. I will enter here on this cell, enter equal sign. I will type PMT. I will type PMT, then open the bracket. Now the rate here I have is 3.5%. I'll click on that, and these ones are in a month. I will have to divide by 12 because they require it in a month, and you see my rate is in per annum. I will require to divide by 12. Then number of payment, I have 60 months. Then I have to enter the PV, which is the present value. The present value I have is $24,000. But if you can see, you have feature value and type in square brackets. That means they are optional. So we are not going for them. For this case, I'm going to use present value, which I have is $24,000. So I'll click on $24,000 cell, then enter. Now you see the outcome is the value I'm getting is in red color. It means this is the amount that I'm supposed to pay. They're lending me, but I'm receiving it in my bank, and I will have to pay for them. That's why they come in form of negative form, because I have to pay for them. Now to correct this one, I'll enter negative before the present value, then you press enter. Then this is the amount I'm supposed to pay for each month to complete this payment of $24,000. So I'm going to pay $476 so as to complete in 60 months to complete my loan payment of $24,000. Now if I'm going to pay if I am going to increase my payment to $500, which loan am I going to be given? Now I'll click on the cell, the target cell, then the value, maybe let me choose $500, which is I'm going to pay for each month. So let me see which amount am I going to borrow. So I'm going to borrow $24,485 because I'm increasing my payment to $500. This is how we can use goal seek in order to get this value. Now what if I'm going to pay that $500 for the same amount which I was initially given, $24,000? Let me go to goal seek. Now setting target, then go to set value to 500 is the amount going to pay for that period. I have 60. Then okay. So it means I'm going to pay, if I'm going to pay 500 in each month, it will take me 52 months to complete the payment of $24,000. This is how you can apply goal